Assignment 3 is an assignment that is going to ask us to revisit and go into more detail about a piece of reading that we have already reviewed in this course. You should notice that it is an assignment that is designed to take a significant amount of time, 30 to 40 minutes, and that it will require you to be working in a quiet, controlled space for an extended period. In assignment 3, I'm asking you to take about 300 words and, using your annotations for guidance, explain what you understand the main points to be in the first 12 pages of field working. This statement assumes several things. It assumes that you have already taken the time to carefully work through the first 12 pages of field working. It assumes that you have taken the time to highlight or otherwise note the main ideas in that portion of field working. It also assumes you've taken the time to write some questions about that material, that is, to be engaged with the material. If you have done that, you have a good set or a developing set of annotations that you can use as the foundation for this assignment. If you have not yet read through the first 12 pages of field working, or if you have read through those first 12 pages and haven't taken or haven't created a good set of annotations, you want to make sure you do that before you get into this assignment. Okay, let's assume you've done that. Now we can move into the rest of the instructions. Your writing should make frequent use of the key bolded concepts discussed in the reading. And it should also identify with quotations several of the major claims that the authors make in these opening pages. Now, in terms of making frequent use of key bolded concepts, that doesn't mean that you yourself need to physically bold the terms in your writing, but it does mean that you need to be using these terms as part of your vocabulary for explaining some of the main ideas in the reading. It's also really important to understand that this assignment is asking you to use direct quotes. That is, the assignment is asking you to quote directly from the text, to bring ideas from the text into your own writing, and to indicate that you are using the language of the text by putting quotation marks around the portions of the text you're bringing into your own writing. We want to keep all these things in mind as we get into assignment 3.